Damon from Joy. I'm going to show you a little tip on the Joie I-Spin. If during the removal process we've reached over the seat, leant on the product and accidentally twisted the seat itself during the removal process and got the ISOFIX bars out of alignment, we will then find that it's nearly impossible to squeeze the front lever on the seat to retract or extend the ISOFIX any longer. So if we have got resistance there, if we have a look at the back of the seat, if we have fully removed it, then basically what we'll see is the two ISOFIX bars there are at different lengths. So we've got a shorter side and a longer side. So effectively we've put the pressure internally on the mechanism itself, which is why the lever is no longer working. Best way is to actually reinstall it back in the car because you've got something to pull and push against, so you can do it quite easily then one-handed, which I'll show on a different video. But if you have removed it and are unable to pop it back in the vehicle, it can be done on your own. However, it is much easier having a friend or colleague give some assistance. So obviously then you have a third arm in which to do so. But without that, so it can be done on our own. And what we're looking at doing is putting pressure on the shorter side whilst pushing to extend the longer side. And of course, at the same time, squeezing the ISOFIX extension lever. So get at least 3 fingers onto that. So we've got some good pressure that we can force onto the button itself. With regards to the shorter side, if you see, I'm just going to rock the seat over slightly. And you see that moving really slightly. We only want to move it about 4 or 5 millimeters. And at the same time, just lift the seat up. So I've got a slight gap under here and I can push down on that shorter side whilst pushing also down on the longer side and pulling up with those 3 fingers on the button. Pushing down takes the pressure off, you heard it click, and that resets the ISOFIX completely to allow us now to be able to extend and retract the ISOFIX once more. So quite an easy procedure if we do that, but best if we get it out of alignment and do have too much pressure on the button itself to actually release it whilst in the vehicle itself. So very quick and easy procedure to fully reset your Joie I-Spin if that should occur during removal.